So clearly this is divisible by 2, since both numbers are even. 3. The sum of the digits, so that's 8 plus 9 is 17, plus 6 is 23. Is 23 divisible by 3? No. So now we check 4. Is 96 divisible by 4? Yes. Is 64 divisible by 4? Yes, it is. So therefore, it is divisible by 4. We check our 5s. Does it end in a 0 or a 5? No. Check our 6. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, but it's divisible by 3? No. So it's not divisible by 6. 7, skip. 8, last 3 digits divisible by 8. You basically want to check to see if 8 goes into 896. And you want to see that, and if 8 goes into 664. And as it turns out, they do go into it nicely, so therefore it is divisible by 8. Let's check our 9s. 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 6 is 23. That is not divisible by 9. Let's check our 10s. It does not end in a 0. No. So now we've checked to see what we can divide it by. We can divide this by 2, 4, and 8. You don't have to go through all these steps, but if you figured this out, then you're more likely to just divide it by 8 and have less work to do later.